Welcome back to Mumford Restoration, and we're just showing you new things that have come into the shop that we're all excited about restoring. Go to our site, mumfordrestoration.com, or to our YouTube channel and bring us something that we could fix for you. So we just got approval on this larger, very unique and rare music box, and you'll be watching some of the videos we're doing on that one. And then on the day we were meeting with this customer, we received another one, and which is just amazing. Sometimes we attract things in groups. So this is a marquetry box. It's in a beautiful stand, and it was really abused. It was dropped by the moving company, I believe, and we have broken pieces of trim. We have the corner piece missing, and we have the inside glass door completely smashed. And so these are the trim pieces that go to the inside door and hold the glass, and that pulls up like the other unit. We're missing tines, the teeth to the drum, and then this drawer won't even shut because the drum is stuck in the drawer and the underneath of the music box is broken. And so this is something we're going to have to figure out and try to quote. And then I hope that the customer again will approve for us to go to French polishing, because all the marquetry is here. It will turn out beautifully. And this one also comes from family. This is not something they bought, but something that they've had for 2 or 3 generations. So it's really cool to see that become part of the story and realize, well, yeah, we really want to restore it because it's something that's been in our family for so long. We need to keep that. And as they say, it comes with a little guilt, right? So you have to be able to say, all right, does that guilt mean I should fix it, or I should just let it go, and because it has to have major repairs. Thanks for watching.